Hello, I am Andrew, and today I am going to talk about tea. So, watch and listen. Right now, the time is 11 in the morning or 11 a.m. And today is the weekend. This is the week. This is the weekend. So right now it is the weekend. And today is Saturday. Yes. And outside it is nice. The weather is good today. It is sunny. So, today I am going to talk about tea, and I am going to show you how to make the perfect cup of tea. Yes. In the UK and in Ireland, we love tea. We drink tea all day, throughout the day. We drink tea in the morning with breakfast. We drink tea in the afternoon with lunch. And in the evening, we drink tea with our dinner. And sometimes at night, just before going to sleep. Yes. So, to make the perfect cup of tea, first go to the kitchen. The kitchen. Go into the kitchen and turn on the cold tap. The cold tap, not the hot tap, not the hot tap, the cold tap. Then take your kettle and fill your kettle with water, cold water. Cold water. Pour cold water into the kettle and turn the kettle on to boil the water. While the kettle is boiling the water, take your teapot and put in your tea bags. If there are 1 to 3 of you, you need 2 tea bags. And if there are 4 or 5 of you, you will need not 2 tea bags. No. You will need 3. So, once the kettle has boiled the water, straight away pour the water into the teapot. Straight away. Straight as the kettle has boiled the water. Do not wait 1 minute or 2 minutes. No, straight away. The water needs to be very hot. Very hot. Very hot. Once you have poured the water into your teapot with your tea bags, leave it to brew for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. While the tea is brewing, mixing, take your best cups. Take your best cups and get out the milk from the fridge. And also, if you like sugar, take the sugar out from the cupboard. Get the milk from the fridge and get the sugar from the cupboard. Once your tea has been brewing for 5 minutes, pour it into your cups. Very important. Pour the tea first, then the milk. Not the milk, then the tea. No. Tea, then milk. Tea, then milk. And if you like sugar, put the sugar into your cup after the milk and stir with a spoon. Stir. If you leave the tea in the teapot more than 5 minutes, the tea will get very strong, too strong, and the taste is too strong. Not very nice, no. And if you leave the tea in the teapot for less than 5 minutes, the tea is not very good. No, it is very watery. Oh, weak. Strong. Weak. Tea that is very weak with lots of milk and lots of sugar. Lots of sugar and lots of milk we call builder's tea. Builder's tea. We call tea with lots of milk and lots of sugar builder's tea, because builders love lots of sugar, very sweet and very milky. And this tea is not very good. No, it is bad. So, if you are in the UK, do not ask for builder's tea. No, because if you ask for builder's tea, you will get tea with lots of sugar and lots of milk, and this tea is not good. It is very sweet and very milky, not very good. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching and listening, and I will see you in the next video. Okay? Thank you and bye.